The local state legislator is trying to make sure San Diego has better protection from floods like the ones we saw on January 22nd. ABC 10 News reporter Ryan Hill is following through this morning. Ryan, we've been following these laws as they've been going through the legislative process, and now that legislator is trying to make sure they get across the finish line.
Yeah, Jared, that's right. Good morning. Assemblymember David Alvarez got two bills passed in Sacramento that would help San Diego be better prepared and react more effectively when it comes to future flooding here in our community. Now, Alvarez's two bills help get rid of state-level hurdles that can prevent San Diego from clearing out those concrete storm channels. One of those bills allows to help expedite the permitting of the clearing of projects so that these channel clearing projects can get done. It allows for water boards to accept funding from the city for permitting and technical assistance work so that staff can get the process done faster. Alvarez also says that another bill will speed up the regular maintenance of the channels by getting rid of some of the delays at the state level that also can hold that work up as well. He says that the inspiration for these bills came from hearing from local leaders about some of the bureaucratic issues to clear these channels.
There were hurdles, that there were barriers that existed in order for them to move forward with some of this clearing, with the permits, with trying to get the work done as quickly as possible. And that's what these two bills address. We are getting the state essentially out of the way so that the city can move forward and do the work that they need to do.
Both of Alvarez's bills are on Governor Newsom's desk awaiting his signature. Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.